Okay guys, today I just got these new road tires in. Got it delivered from Amazon, and I'm gonna change out my off-road ones. I don't really off-road, so I find it useless for me to actually use the existing ones. But I gotta give my shout out to my homeboy, fellow scooter head from Yume Nation, named Andrew. Andrew, what's up, bro? Thank you for recommending these, and I'm gonna go ahead and slap it on and give it a try. But this will be my first video on how to put on install a new tire. Like I said, this will be the first time I'll install a new tire, or a tire on my new Yume X11. I'm gonna give it a shot. It looks good. It was very affordable. I was a little shocked, but first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna take, before I even start unscrewing anything on this this scooter, I want to make sure I can get this out. I'm gonna inflate, whatever. I'm gonna inflate this right here, and just check for any leaks, and then I can get started with the disassembling the rims and go ahead and installing them. So we'll go from there. So I'm gonna go inflate these first, and then I'm gonna check for leaks. So I got it in the sink right now. I want to test them for leaks first, because I don't want to waste my time if there's any leaks, trying to find out that there's a leak and I disassembled all the rims, and it's just to be a waste of my time. So testing out for leaks first before I do anything. So far so good on one side, so let's see the other side. If there's any bubbles coming up. I think we are good. All right, let's start disassembling the rims. Here we go. All right, so here we're gonna start with the front. It looks the easiest, so we'll go ahead and give it a shot. I got this setup right here. This is actually cool. It's only 20 bucks at Harbor Freight, so I'm gonna try them out, and hopefully they'll do the job, but we'll go from there. All right. All right, guys, so when it comes to the shocks, my boy Andrew told me to just take these, the black hex nut off, not the silver. Although you can take the silver ones out, but it will strip. So I'm gonna take my boy's advice and do that. All right, so I got the rim off. This is what it looks like. Guys, be careful that the disc brake don't get bent. That would not be good. So I'm just gonna take off these screws. Looks like we got what, 6 screws over here, and we'll go from there. So far so good. Making me nervous though. All right, I just got done taking the 6 bolts out. It's actually pretty easy. Once you take the 6 bolts out, you're able to basically pop this right out. Popping this right out, I was able to pop out the rim after I took the 6 bolts. So once the 6 bolts is out, you can take the old, well, not old, but the tire out, and that's actually easy. So this is the original tire. I'm definitely gonna still use this. It's still, I mean, this is definitely still new. It's only like 3 months old, but I'm gonna hold on to this just in case I run into any dirt. I can use it again. But yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and slap the the new ones on, the road tires, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, I got the tire on. So what I'm gonna do, well, I took the valve off, this, I don't know if you can see it, this pin right here. I'm gonna take this off, well I took it off, and then I'm gonna apply some slime. My boy Andrew recommended 4 ounces, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Put 4 ounces of slime to prevent any type of tire leaks or any type of puncture, and yep, so far so good. Nothing's everything is actually going smoothly, so we'll go from here. Yay yay. All right, so I got the 4 ounces of slime in, so I'm gonna go ahead and rotate the tire a few times and let that slime sink in. Man, I am excited about this. I'm excited because I've never done this before. I'm excited because I haven't screwed up yet, so that's the reason why I'm excited. And I don't know how long I'm supposed to do this, but I'll keep doing it. I'm assuming that the slime's got to get evenly distributed. I think that's good enough. All right. After this, I'm gonna go ahead and pump it up. All right, so I'm on the rear tire now. I took off the tire, got the rim apart. There it is. It's actually not that hard. It's actually pretty easy. So just gotta be careful and remember where the screws go. Yeah. Good luck with that, right? Okay, let's keep going. All right, there she is. Got the road tires on. You know what? It wasn't too hard. Just my only advice is take your time. Don't rush it. Make sure you keep track of all the screws so you don't misplace it. But it turned out really good. I'm gonna go ahead and take her for a ride and go from there. Again, I'm gonna give a shout out to my boy Andrew for recommending these off-road tires. You know what? They look good, man. I'm gonna give it a shot. Thanks guys. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.